Alright, so this video we're using a very common older Moroso valve spring tool that allows you to remove and install valve springs on many different things. This particular application is a LS engine, and you can do this on the stand, in the car, wherever you're at. You'll have to have each valve spring set and take an exhaust the piston either all the way up or all the way down. To do so, you'll need one of these hose things you see going into the spark plug with compressed air to hold the valve springs closed, valves closed rather. And the tool, we actually had to modify a head stud, one end to fit this engine, which is a 8mm by 1.25, and the other end fits the Moroso tool, which is a standard 7/16 by 20. Works really good, as you can see on here. You can get a lot of leverage, unlike some other tools you may see on YouTube or eBay or whatever that don't have any leverage or fulcrum action. And this makes it a lot easier to do. When you get the stud modified, you may could find something out there on the market, but we have a lathe and did this in about 20 minutes. So hopefully this video helps you. This process you see, you'll have to repeat on each cylinder, getting the piston all the way up or all the way down and compressing it. After that, just repeat each step.